friends, we have another digital math journal today. So we are going to look at tallest and shortest today. Okay, so you're comparing 3 objects today, and you're going to think about which is the tallest on one side, which is the shortest. So in this column, we're looking at the word tallest. So I want you to think, which of these objects is the tallest? A popsicle, a hat, or a palm tree? Which would be the tallest? A palm tree would be by far the tallest. Okay, now we're going to do on this side, on this row, we see the word shortest. Shortest. So look at these 3 objects. Which would be the shortest? A hot air balloon, a hockey stick, or a stethoscope? I think the stethoscope would be the shortest. If you think about what they look like in real life, this would be the shortest. All right, friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. Remember this word, tallest, and then this is shortest, shortest. So tallest, shortest. Remember, you can move the pieces to circle on your own. Do your very best, and we'll see you soon.